I had a couple of leaks. There had been hailstorms in the area over the course of time, and I had a couple leaks. And the house is 18. I knew it was about time for a new roof. So first time dealing with a roof, first time owning a home, seeing everyone else in the neighborhood getting their roofs done. So I'm like, okay, well, I'm probably due. We contacted a couple different companies for different quotes, and I wound up going with Pelican just because their professionalism and just, they really took the time to inspect my roof. I worked with Rob from start to finish. He came over and inspected. Once the project was started, he was here to check on his folks. He has continued throughout the process to maintain contact. Actually, all of Pelican did, and it's been a great experience from start to finish. The first company came out. He did go up on the roof. He looked around a little bit, and when Pelican came in, it was a completely different. Result. They stayed up on my roof like probably 10 times longer than the other guys did. He thoroughly inspected, took pictures, and then went over the process. I love my roof. It's fantastic. I compare it to all the other roofs in the neighborhood. And I knew I kind of didn't want to go with, traditional brown or even black. And I was happy that Pelican had, quite a few color options for me, especially since I was going to be changing the color of my house. And so we worked to find something that would really complement well, and I'm absolutely ecstatic with the way it looks. I've had neighbors already reach out to me about, my experience and, what they did to work with me. So I've actually talked to several neighbors individually that I've been able to give some feedback on, and I know that have contacted Pelican in the meantime.